We're like, what's going on? He goes, yo, he's stealing the car. Like, he's actively saying it while the guy is still in the bay.
I'm here today in Philadelphia at my #1 shop. This is the craziest store we have. We get lots of traffic, lots of customers, lots of crazy stories. Let's go check it out.
I've seen a lot of stuff in the years that I've been here.
What's some of the craziest stuff you've seen? First of all, you've been here 38 years,
38
right?
38 years. In the beginning, we had a car with no brakes drive through the back wall. That's why if you look at the back of the building, there's a section of
that's different.
Stone that's different.
Okay.
It's a different color.
You know, Joey was telling us the story of the guy who crashed through. You can kind of see the lighter bricks there. So that must have been where he rammed his car through and ended up just replacing that whole cut, probably.
What do you got going on this one?
I don't know.
Oil leak?
Yeah.
Everywhere, yeah. Trying to figure out a power steering leak, I think. We'll figure it out. Okay, I'll show you the rest of the shop.
Yeah, so this is our training room. Here, like we can see, this is our team kind of going over a lot of the finance and the money stuff. Got a little counter, so the guys on wheels, so the guys can pretend, hello, welcome to Midas. How can I help you today? And then in here, so this used to be my office. Occasionally we'd have like people peeing in these bushes or yelling on the phone or like whatever. Eventually it became kind of like, all right, I think I need to move somewhere with a slightly better view than this, but a lot of fun. A lot of good memories there. So cool, look at this, 1975. Yeah, January 1976. You're gonna be able to see this, you think, with the reflection?
I'll figure something out.
Yeah, from 1976. So this is the year my dad got into the business. So this must have been something they kind of gave him as they said, hey, this is what the prototype, store looks like. Back in the day, they really had one core service, which was selling mufflers, exhaust work. And then they added shocks, and then they added brakes at some point. Now, obviously, today we do full service, and mufflers and exhaust is only a very small percentage of our business, maybe 10% or less. It's pretty cool to see. As I mentioned, back in there, it was like my personal office. In here used to be where we did all like the accounts payable and payroll and like all the back office stuff. Eventually we moved to the office that I have today. The secret passageway back into the shop. This is our largest store, and as part of that we've got this big stock room which has evolved over the years. We used to stock a lot more tires. We'll be back.
The best story I've ever seen, and this is probably not one for your movie. They're running a tour.
Okay.
Out of the parking. They're going down to Maryland to meet Reverend somebody, Reverend John or something. And there's a lady who went with them, but she's late. The bus is less. And she's on the corner, like right, in front of the shop. And she's freaking out. She's yelling at the car going down the street. All the cars start honking.
Yeah.
So she takes her clothes off.
What?
Right? She takes her clothes off. Your father comes out of the office and he looks at me, what's going on? I go, right there. And he goes, oh my God. And she squats down and she goes to the bathroom on the ground. And I look at him, I go, I'm not cleaning that. He goes, either am I.
I think we can include that.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. That's a good one.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Thanks for calling Midas. This is Brian. All right, we'll see you soon. Yeah, bye. Yeah, bye. Need a transmission?
We take everything in. No job too big, no job too small. Not here. Amazon's up.
Yeah, Amazon's 10%. How do I turn this off? I hate this. Like we don't need to see any of this stuff. So Russell, what's some of the craziest things you've seen here?
Really just like dirty customer cars. Yeah, I've been turning wrenches for over 10 years now.
Yeah.
The work is all the same.
Yeah, it's the cars. I don't even smell like weed. Yeah. More than half?
No, not more than that.
Okay.
Is that tire cooked?
Oh yeah, the tire's done.
Lady's got a flat tire here. We're gonna throw her spare on, back the car in the shop, and probably just jack it up and hopefully get in or out of here in like 5 minutes maybe. It'll be quick.
The property manager's phone number? We can put a new tire on.
Yeah, this might be it. There. Yeah, that's it. All right. My favorite activity, putting tires together. Get in and out. Luckily we had it. We got the tire.
Yeah.
We're good. Is this your favorite spot? Do you come back here and just yell at them when you're angry?
Come back here and just cry.
Just start punching them? Just
Cry and wonder the meaning of life.
It's a story about the one-legged guy that tried to steal his car.
He like dumped water on the showroom floor because he was offended by someone's shirt.
What was the shirt?
I've never killed a mountain lion, but I've choked a cougar.
Oh my God.
So we already got the inkling like, oh, this guy's
Yeah.
So Ronnie walks him down there.
And the dude just like jumped in his car and turned it on and started pulling out.
All right, Rodney's looking at him.
Yeah, I'm just rummaging through.
Yeah, we wait till Rodney leaves.
Wait for my sunglasses
Right,
and then.
So it's right there at 117.
Okay.
Rodney walks up front. All right, and then if you watch up here, you'll see pointing that he took the car. There's Rodney running after him. Then you'll see James dart out.
Oh yeah, there goes James.
There goes James. And what you saw in the rest of the video was James bringing the car. That's him bringing it back after we recovered it.
We're like, what's going on? He goes, yo, he's stealing the car. Like, he's actively saying it while the guy is still in the bay. The guy took off, and I don't know. It was just instinct. I said, what? And I just ran out the door. I jumped in my car. I like reversed all through the parking lot, saw him by ShopRite, and I just cut him off. I don't know. I just hopped out and just jumped in the car and pulled the keys out the ignition and said, you don't want those problems. I didn't know he was one-legged neither. So he grabbed his prosthetic leg and he put it on and limped over to the shop. Come to find out, cops said, oh, he has an ankle monitor. I was like, I hope it's not on his right leg. It comes off. In hindsight, it wasn't really worth it. Cause
yeah, you never know what could happen.
We could have had a gun in his car.
My tire was on. The one that's flat, we just threw that away. You don't need that tire. It's trash. Okay, you can come back. We can give it to you. All right, well, yeah, come back. We'll give it to you. I'll go get it out of the trash, okay? You're welcome.
Oh, my God.
Javon! You can't make it.
What are you going to do with a trash tire?
A 100-year-old lady, they couldn't even walk to her car. They're carrying a trash tire.
It saves us, yeah, $2 on a tire disposal.
She needs it. She wants some.
There we go. This is what you need.
That's how I get a hold of everybody.
Move faster. Oh, wait, you got a phone call.
Damn, no.
Hold on 1 second. Brendan, I'll be right there. I'll be working.
All right, answer the phone.
Whoa, you gotta be kidding me. Hands where I can see them. Open the drawer.
All right. Just take it easy.
Cash, all of it, now.
Here, that's everything.
Stay down, don't follow.
911, what's your emergency?
This is Midas on Oak, we just got robbed. Open the drawer.
I sent that to Colin.
So you just
you just type in what you want.
Okay.
And make it.
Hey, I'm trying to find the financing tracker on Slack. Can't seem to locate it. Looking for the financing tracker on Slack? Oh, there it is. Pinned in the finance channel. Thanks, got it. Appreciate it. Hey, I'm